In this video, I'm going to show you how to create navigation menu in Blogger. Like this is a blogger, a blogspot site or blog that has a navigation menu like the one you're seeing. This something like this. Most of blogs that I've been seeing around do not have Blogger, do not have, let's see, okay, they do not have navigation menu. So I want to open up some sample. Now this navigation menu enables you to filter out different stories based on categories. For instance, this one is awkward moments, this is book review, inspirational story, life story, and the rest. Now how does it work? It makes use of the string search label and then the name of the tag, which is this. So now let's look at this. This is a blogger, but it doesn't have navigation, doesn't have top navigation menu. As much as this blog is, the user experience is a little bit limited, as you just have to keep scrolling and you will not be able to get exactly what you want, maybe just to read a particular story that interests you. Let's see another one. It's coming up. Okay, let's see. This is another one. Let me change it to classic. It doesn't have, it also does not have navigation option, okay, to give you different categories of posts. But in this blog we have different categories of posts which are arranged like normal website navigation menu, like the way you are familiar with, and also have home, about, contact. In this case, these ones are more, this type of navigation are page, they are page. You see the trailing slash is p, then contact us .html. What I'm interested in now is I want to create a new, I already have a blog here and I want to show you how to create a navigation menu which will be somewhere around here, under here, just the way we have this. So the first thing to do is to make sure that you create what we call labels for your post. For instance, if you're writing a new post now this post, let's assume, is a news, is latest news. For instance, let me see, we have the latest news and you want to write about it. So now, okay, we have an article here. Trump calls congressional inquiry a witch hunt. Now let's assume I want to publish this as my story. This category of write-up is known as news, so I can bring it here under label here and I'll call it news. So when you write news, this label now gives it different category. Now let's look at the category in which it falls in our Google News here. Let me go and okay, for instance, here I have categories: Samsung Galaxy, Pravin Gordhan, and the rest. These are top stories anyway, but I want to bring up a category from a certain well-known website. Okay, for instance, we have World News, Africa, and the rest. I'm not interested in that. I'm interested in, let me say, technology. So see, okay, let me pick personal tech. Now the category enables you to create different category of stuff. So I have news. I want to talk about this news, this topic falls under what? Politics. I'll call it politics. What other thing again? I have another keyword here. Donald Trump is another keyword. Let me add it to my label. Trump. So once I'm done, I'll click on this, and then we are good to go. Now then we need the story. The entire story comes in here. You already know this, so I don't need to put anything. I don't want to copy the article from the site. So the entire story is that. What I'm interested in is this label. Is this label that enables you to create your top navigation menu, because each navigation bar is what? Label. So this is what we're going to do now. We are going to publish this. Publish. Now I don't want to share it. Now how to make our navigation menu to show? This is where we're going now. We've already published an article called Trump Calls Congressional Inquiry a Witch Hunt, whatever, something great, or something. Then we have welcome to blogging tips on Blogger. So these are the 3 articles that I already published. Now what I'm interested in is creating a navigation bar, which will be here. Now let's go back to our Blogger, go to layout. Under layout, this is cross column. This is the position where you have it, where your menu can be placed. So you can add a gadget here. Click on add a gadget, and then you go and look for labels. So you just add it. Now I don't want to show the title, and I don't want it to show all labels. I only want to select some certain labels. So click on it, then edit. So there are 7 labels in total. Which one do you want to actually show on the menu? I want Blogger to show. I want free stuff, Joomla, news, politics, but I don't want Trump to show. So click done, then save. It's automatically save and save arrangements. Now let's come back to our main blog and reload. So we have it here. Now when you add new category, let's assume you create another post. You create another story, and you give it another label. Maybe it falls under storyteller, something like that. Don't mind me, I'm not good at calling things up. Now each one post can fall into different category or different labels. So let me add something else, another, yet another. Done. So we have the categories in which, or labels in which this post falls in. So I'll click on publish. I'm not going to share it because it doesn't have any value. So reload. But the one I wanted to show are still the ones I created earlier on. So if you want more menu to show, you can edit it directly from here. And click on edit, and then add any other ones that you want to show, then click save. So when you reload, it automatically comes in. So if I'm going to create something, my posts, I have only 3 or 4 categories. Come on. I have only 3 or 4 categories. Okay. I have only 3 or 4 categories. Cat 1, category 1, let me say category 1, sports. Category 2, politics. 3, let me call it entertainment, etc. So I can create a category for each one of them and then make it come up here as my navigation menu here. So that does it for this video. In the next video, I will show you more tricks on how to put powered by, or put your name at the footer of this, something like this, put menu and all those things here, like link at the footer. If you take note of this, you will see that it shows only copyright 2015 and link to the other pages, but normally here you will see Ethereal theme powered by Blogger. If you want to remove this, in the next video I'll show you how to do that.